Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2011 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition pickup. On the outside of this F-150, we have power door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and a rear view backup camera system. Inside, you have spacious leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, automatic temperature control, and remote start. This 2011 Ford F-150 has less than 81,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.